Seeking top-notch mobile app development? Let us present IntersoftKK, an innovator with a gleaming 25-year legacy. We are adept in designing custom solutions for both Android and iOS platforms, specializing in native and hybrid app development. At IntersoftKK, we convert your ideas into first-class, user-focused applications. IntersoftKK's reach is extensive. Covering 9 strategic locations, we've proudly catered to over 950 clients around the world. Our proficiency spans sectors. We've influenced retail, e-commerce, finance, real estate, automotive, healthcare, and more. Every corner of the planet, every industry, we've made a lasting impression. Quality isn't a one-time act. It's a habit at IntersoftKK. Our dedication to superior standards is steadfast, supported by cutting-edge tools and technology. Our devoted development team, fueled by expertise and promise, ensures your vision is brought to fruition flawlessly. Count on us to maintain uncompromising quality standards in every endeavor. Ready to elevate your digital presence? Opt for IntersoftKK and witness brilliance in app development. We convert your ideas into user-focused applications. Boost your digital presence with IntersoftKK, where creativity meets expertise.